तो अब घर तो ले लिया प्यारा सा, अनपैकिंग भी हो गई काफ़ी हद तक, बट शॉपिंग करनी बाकी है। मज़ा आ रहा है ना घर की शॉपिंग करके। एंड जैसे कुछ ग्रीनरी ऐड कर देते हैं ना घर पे, so the house just becomes like so beautiful, so positive. Love is being stupid together. Like it? Hello everyone, thank you to all the lovely people who have subscribed to the channel. मेरा नाम है रीना भाटिया, ये है रवि भाटिया। एंड अगर आप ये वीडियो पहली बार देख रहे हैं कर दो सब्सक्राइब, एब्सोल्युटली फ्री है। तो अब घर तो ले लिया प्यारा सा, अनपैकिंग भी हो गई काफ़ी हद तक, बट शॉपिंग करनी बाकी है। थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें घर की लेनी बाकी है, तो चलो करते हैं ब्लॉग की शुरुआत। आपको अपने साथ लेकर चलते हैं, बताएंगे आपको कि यहाँ पर चीज़ों के कॉस्ट क्या होते हैं एंड शॉपिंग करते हैं थोड़ी बहुत घर की। So come, let's start the vlog. We're starting with getting some stuff for the bathroom. So they have these really cool sets here. So if you look at this comes with the shower curtain, the rings. This is a hand soap bottle, and so you have so many options here. This one even comes with the bathroom mats for $24.97. So I'll put the translations here. And यहाँ पर भी इतनी सारी आपको वैरायटी मिलेंगी. This comes with the mat and the shower curtain. Which one do you like, Ravi?
So many choices. I have to go through and decide.
Confusion.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है।
Confusion. So next up we saw these toiletries for this hand soap and to put the brush. So यहाँ पर काफ़ी सारी वैरायटी है यहाँ पर. So this is in the range of between $2 to $4, and then if you want to get a little more fancier, $13, $10. इतनी ज़्यादा confusion, बाप रे बाप. So we went with this option. मुझे इतनी confusion हो रही थी तो मैंने रवि से पूछा. So we going with this hand wash के लिए, and this can be like I can put in my bathroom toothbrush and some rubber bands and all. So this is what it looks like. Pretty classy, no? This is for some $6 and this is $4.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
रवि यार मजा आ रहा है ना घर की शॉपिंग करके.
I'm taking this.
So we're taking this for the bathroom
This
dustbin,
one is for me.
and this one's for me. Ravi,
It's too big.
Ravi, people are watching us
It has
from
an
here.
echo.
भाई मजा आया.
तो हमने ये वाले लिए हैं दोनों डस्टबिन. इनके कॉस्ट जो है वील पुट इट हियर, क्वाइट प्राइसी बट ठीक है. घर की शॉपिंग बार बार नहीं
$5 and
होती.
$9.
या आई थिंक टेक दैट. ठीक है, लेट्स टेक दीज टू. योर राइट, मेक सेंस. या जब भी नए घर में शिफ्ट होते हैं एंड फिर नया घर लेते हैं, वो बड़ी एक्साइटमेंट टाइप की होती है ना. अभी पैसे खर्च होते हैं, इन दिस केस डॉलर्स, बट वो एक्साइटमेंट होती है ना, वो हो रही है अभी मुझे इसमें.
ऐसे तो नहीं होता है.
मिस्टर भाटिया, आर यू एक्साइटेड?
Very.
झूठ बोल रहा है.
रवि, बियर मग्स और वाइन ग्लासेस, ये कौन से सेक्शन में हो आप इस वक्त?
No.
कितने का है ये वाला?
$1, no?
नॉट बैड ना.
$2.
75 rupees.
No, two. 150.
Oh, lol. Like it should smell always of nice fragrance. So for that I've taken these candles. जिसमें fragrance नहीं है, but I've taken along with these lavender incense. मेरा favorite है lavender aromatherapy. And I've also taken these lavender incense. अगरबत्ती कहते हैं ना हिंदी में.
A few minutes later.
This is a jasmine and whatever this is like So jasmine is Raat Ki Rani, na? So it's very nice.
Yeah, so they have like a bunch of home decor stuff here. मुझे सारी चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लग रही हैं. But Ravi doesn't want to keep any fake plants in the house, so because I really like this cactus. But we're gonna get real plants, house plants. I like this as well. But the only problem with this clock is that it's for $15. I'll put the translation here. But the only problem with this clock is that ये tick 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 sound करेगा. And then that would be kind of annoying, but I really like the way it is. Like, it's so very rustic, and you know, it's got a very like a vintage vibe to it. So they have so many beautiful home decorations here. So Ravi is in another section getting few things. I am here. So next up, let's take some accessories. I know.
Nice.
Shopping के बीच में accessories, like hello, what are you tying? But मैंने सोचा यार tempting से लग रहे थे. I thought of taking it. So this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8 clips for $2.98 less $3. That's not bad for 8 clips. क्योंकि मेरे बाल आगे से छोटे बड़े हैं, तो you know this will be good. And what else? Maybe we could take some Tic Tac clips. Yeah, a lot of options. Oops.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
So I've gotten all these for my hair because it's getting a bit long. So tell me which ones you guys like. I'll clip it in.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
I'm taking for office.
Scrunchies.
You're in the beauty
And I'm picking
section.
up this, trying something new. Everyman Jack. Naturally devised, smells like sandalwood.
I always wanted to color my hair red, but मैंने highlights और coloring काफ़ी बारी कराई है, but अभी मन नहीं है. I don't know. I like my black plus brownish hair. I'm a confused person. But they have over here, यहाँ पे sale है, 50% off पे इतने सारे यहाँ पर कलर मिल रहे हैं washables. I took 2 red and 1 green. I will definitely experiment. ज़्यादा नहीं करूँगी because मेरे को hair fall होता है, तो I don't want my hair to just fall off using these temporary colors. Now I have to look for Ravi. So काफ़ी essential shopping कर ली है हमने store से. I think we're gonna go to another store like Home Goods or some other store to get more things. Love is being stupid together.
Aww.
This is for $10. All of this section is like all the lovey-dovey stuff. So you like anything?
I like you.
Oh, lols.
वाह क्या सीन है. वाह क्या सीन है.
This one very comfortable for $14. पर मुझे ये है कि पीछे से इसको I shouldn't be lazy. It's just that ये पीछे से इसको ऐसे निकाल के पहनना पड़ेगा, which is okay, little bit more work. But these are quite comfortable. इसमें मैं चली. The cushion inside of it is like super comfortable, so perfect for house, I think. Yeah, it's nice. It's black in color, it won't get dirty. We got so much of this stuff for $216, right, Ravi?
216, yeah.
So we got all of these home stuff. Ravi, इतनी प्यारी sunlight आ रही है तुम्हारे पीछे. Sunset is happening. So this is, we are very close to the mountains. Look at all of this. Wow.
A few moments later.
So काफी ठंड हो गई है, तो हमने पहन ली है अपनी जैकेट वैकेट. ठंड. So now we have come to this really cool store, Lowe's. So they have all the house stuff, but along with that, they have like a good cool garden center also. So we wanna take some.
So we should try to
house
fill your
plants.
house up with plants. And then these plants are also good for air purification. So clean air. It's always good.
एंड जैसे ही कुछ ग्रीनरी ऐड कर देते हैं ना घर पे, सो द हाउस जस्ट बिकम्स लाइक सो ब्यूटिफुल, सो पॉजिटिव. So now we are thinking of taking some tables in the house. Can be like a mix of side tables for the sofa. So I love this one. It's got like a rustic touch to it. This is for $109. So many options, more house plants here. Oh my god. I'll take like a mix of house plants and maybe these few tables here. तो बॉस मेरा तो भूल भुलैया हो गया है एंड कैमरा की बैटरी भी कम हो चुकी है. सो लेट्स एंड द व्लॉग हियर ओनली. विल डू अ लिटिल बिट मोर शॉपिंग एंड मे बी मेक अ पार्ट 2 ऑफ दिस, एंड द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग विल बी अ शॉपिंग पार्ट 2 और इट विल बी अ हाउस डेकोर. You'll come to know very soon. If you like the video, please subscribe, and thank you so much for all of your support. And subscribe and become a part of this Desi Indian American family. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.